Herbal teas and weight loss. Herbal teas have become increasingly popular for their medicinal properties and potential health benefits. In recent years, they have been touted as a weight loss aid. But do they really work? Let's take a look. Herbal teas are made from herbs, fruits, seeds, or roots that are steeped in hot water to extract their flavor and nutrients. They contain no caffeine and are naturally calorie-free. This makes them a great alternative to sugary drinks or calorie-laden lattes. Herbal teas have been used for centuries for their health benefits. They are thought to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and calming effects. Some herbal teas may also help with digestion, reduce bloating, and support weight loss. Although herbal teas may help with weight loss, they should not be used as a replacement for a healthy diet and regular exercise. It is important to remember that the key to successful weight loss is to create a calorie deficit. This means eating fewer calories than you burn. Certain herbal teas may help you achieve a calorie deficit by suppressing appetite, increasing satiety, and boosting metabolism. For example, green tea is high in antioxidants and has been shown to increase metabolism and help with weight loss. Similarly, oolong tea has been found to reduce body fat and waist circumference. Other herbal teas may help with digestion and reduce bloating. Peppermint tea is a popular choice for this purpose, as it can help relieve digestive discomfort and reduce bloating. Ginger tea is also thought to reduce bloating and support digestion. It is important to note that not all herbal teas are created equal. Some may contain additives or added sugar, which can add calories and negate the potential weight loss benefits. Be sure to read labels carefully and choose organic, unsweetened varieties whenever possible. Herbal teas can be a great way to get in your daily fluids and may have some health benefits. However, they should not be used as a replacement for a healthy diet and regular exercise. If you are trying to lose weight, be sure to create a calorie deficit and focus on making healthy lifestyle choices.